The first step to using Clicks is to add your website. This can be done by clicking here and then inputting the URL of your site. I also highly suggest connecting your Google Search Console. This is going to give you some really important data. Once your site is connected and your project is all set up, you can get a tactical overview of everything that's going on right here by clicking on the Overview tab. You'll be able to see your site health, SEO performance, Google Search Console data, traffic, keywords, and tons more. I understand looking at all of these numbers, it might feel a little bit overwhelming, but it won't take long before this all makes perfect sense. Clicks does a lot of cool stuff to help with your SEO rankings, but there are really just 4 core features that you need to understand to succeed at SEO. There's site audits, keyword research, rank tracking, and backlink analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how each of these works and show you how you can use them to make some huge progress with your own rankings in just a few minutes of work. Everything starts with a site audit. If your site isn't healthy, it's going to struggle to rank. The Clicks Site Audit feature checks all of the critical ranking factors that search engines check for to determine whether or not your site deserves to rank. If you see a little button that looks like this next to a specific error, you can click on it to get AI assistance to see exactly how to resolve that issue. Now, even when your site is fully optimized and has a great score, it's important to periodically run these audits to ensure your site remains healthy. Especially as you make changes or additions to your site, these checkups should become a regular practice. Now, next is keyword research. You're trying to find the keywords that you want your site to rank for. So here on the left under your keywords tab, you can click top keywords to see all of the keywords you're already ranking for, or you can click the keyword research tab to start a fresh search to find new keywords. All you have to do to get started is type in any keyword idea to see its search volume and difficulty. Clicks will also provide a list of other similar or related keywords. So you'll want to look through all these different keywords and choose the ones that you want to rank for, and then click right here to add them to your rank tracker. Adding a keyword to the rank tracker allows you to see your current ranking and also track your ranking improvements over time. This is by far the best way to track your SEO progress, especially with a new website, because you're probably not going to see any significant traffic increases over the first few months, but being able to track your progress with keyword positions will confirm that you are making good progress. Now, once you've found these keywords and added them to the rank tracker, the work isn't done. You still need to incorporate these keywords into your specific site page. You can do this by adding it to your page title, your meta description, your H1, and using it naturally throughout the page's content. Now, this is all going to be an ongoing process of finding new keyword opportunities, adding them to existing pages, or creating new content pages to optimize for those new keywords. Now, the final tool that I want to talk to you about is the backlink analysis. If keywords are the direction of your SEO campaign, then backlinks are the fuel to help you get there. Especially in the age of AI and LLMs, these backlinks are key to get your site to show up on search engines and places like ChatGPT. So simply put, a backlink is when another trustworthy site mentions and links back to your site. Online rankings are a popularity contest, and the more quality backlinks that you have, the better you're going to rank. So inside of Clicks, there are 2 metrics that you need to be aware of. The first is your domain power. This is a score based on your backlink profile. The higher the score, the easier it's going to be for you to rank. This score can only be improved by getting more high quality backlinks. And yes, there are such things as bad backlinks, and you want to avoid these at all costs. Now, the second metric is backlinks. This shows you how many links you have. There are lots of different ways for you to get backlinks. You can do it yourself, and there are also good ways to outsource these. But one of the best things that you can do to find backlink opportunities is to spy on your competitors. So what you can do is click on competitor domains here on the left and then select any competitor. This is going to allow you to spy on everything they're doing. Not only can you see their backlinks, but you can also see their keywords and traffic. Going through a competitor's backlinks is going to help you identify good backlink opportunities for your own site. The best SEOs know how to dive deep into competitor research to get ideas and to steal strategies to help improve your own site's rankings. Inside of Clicks, there are tons of other tools that will help you with that deep research and also optimizing your own site. But for right now, I would encourage you to run your first site audit, find some good keywords, and start tracking your rankings, and we'll have more instruction and trainings coming to you soon.